Log into QAnswer and create your AI assistant. Add data sources you prefer. You can upload various data source combinations like documents, websites, and more. Once the data is fed, tap into AI tasks and select Chat Interface to try your bot. Let us now integrate this assistant to desired platform. Customize your chat widget and save it. Now, copy the code snippet and navigate to the site setting of your Webflow account. Go to the custom code and paste the code snippet within head code. Click Save and publish your website. Your AI assistant is successfully deployed. Create your assistant now at www.qanswer.ai.